Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael. Christmas is coming up and two of our grandchildren, the 3-year-old Oliver and the 5-year-old Henry, are getting a new bunk bed. And I thought it might be a nice touch to give them two name signs on their bed for personalization, but also to make sure that both of them know on which level they're sleeping. So this could be done the easy way. You just print out two names and glue it to the bed, or you can do it the German way, completely over-engineer it, utilizing your CNC machine and your laser cutter, and come up with something different. The way I did it is I carved out the names in two wood pieces, and then instead of painting the letters of the names, I cut the letters out of acrylic. Then I painted them and glued them in the slots. And first I walk you through the design real quick, then I give you a quick overview of the machining process, assembly, and then show you the final product. Okay, here's the name sign for Henry. It's made out of fine grain pine wood, 4.5 by 10 inches and 3/4 of an inch thick. The letters are CNC milled out, and then this is not painted. These are acrylic pieces cut out on my laser cutter and then painted in blue for Henry, and for Oliver the same is true in red. Here we go. So all this is CNC'd out. Then we have two mounting holes. I did not drill them all the way through for one reason. If I drill them all the way through, then I need a scrap board underneath here. I didn't want to do that. Same thing is true for the edges. The stock here has, of course, 90-degree edge, and I could CNC that, but then I cannot hold the stock from the side, and the effort to hold it from underneath is just too much. So what I did is I just machined that on my band sander. That takes a few seconds, much easier than going through the whole work holding process. Okay, here's a quick CNC simulation. First, we face off the stock, give it a smooth surface. Then we drill the two holes. Then we carve out the letters. And the two lines. And we countersink these holes. The simulation is a little bit jumpy. My computer running Clipchamp and Fusion at the same time is putting some strain on the performance. And finally, we chamfer everything. And I also chamfer here these round edges. That gives me the contour for my belt separator. Okay, here are the final signs. This is Henry, and this is for Oliver. As you can see, these parts I cut on my laser cutter, and then they're just glued in. And the same is true for the letters, and I just painted Oliver in red and Henry in blue. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm very much looking forward to see you soon.